Isupk.
He came out here because he loves blacks, Hispanics, and Native Indians, man. And he spends his off time coming out here to teach hard-headed Negroes. You understand? A sister came up to me earlier and thought we were Muslims, man. Let me set the record straight, man. We have no affiliation with Islam, no affiliation with Christianity, man. The only affiliations that we have is with Commander General Yohana under Christ, man. You understand? That is who we are affiliated with. We're affiliated with all the laws, statutes, and commandments in this Bible, man. Give me Deuteronomy 28 and 43.
All right, this is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 43. The stranger that is within thee shall get up above thee very high.
The stranger that lives amongst blacks, Hispanics, and Native Indians, man. Who is the strangers in our neighborhood, man? The so-called East Indian, the Koreans, the Arabs. They shall what?
Get up very high.
They shall get up very high. What does that mean? They shall get above you within the vicinity of where you live, man. They're the only ones that own all these businesses in your neighborhood, man. You own absolutely nothing, black man. You understand? You own crack houses. You understand? That's your inheritance, black man. Corners. And then you don't even own that, man. You understand? Give it to me again from the top.
Deuteronomy 28:43. The stranger that is within thee shall get up above thee very high.
The stranger that is within you, man, should get up very high. Listen, man, the heathens own all these businesses in your neighborhood. They don't even have enough about them. They don't even consider you to clean up outside of these businesses, man. Because they know who they serve, and they don't even give a damn about you, man. Do you think you see this in the suburbs, man? Where the so-called Caucasian man lives? He has a standard, man. And that's the problem with us, man. We accept anything. We accept the disrespect of the so-called Arabs in our neighborhood. We accept the disrespect of the Koreans that sell you hair, nail, and fried noodles. You understand? Right. You don't have anything about yourself, black man. You understand? So that's why they can do what they can do. They can disrespect you, man. They're not gonna do anything in this environment to benefit you, man. What they will do, though, is take your money and take all your goods and services, take your woman, and use you up till there's nothing left, man. Read the rest of that.
God. And thou shalt come down very low.
And you shall come down very low. You're gonna be subservient, man. You understand? You're gonna be the poor in the neighborhood, man. It's a well-known thing. Blacks, Hispanics, and Native Indians have nothing, man. And this nation uses you like a battery. You understand? Till there's nothing left, man. You are slave labor here in America, man. And you can't see it because of Martin Luther King, because of Christianity, because of Islam, man. You run to every solution but the Bible. And you're paying for it today, man. You understand? You're going to pay because you don't heed the word of the Lord. You're going to pay because you break the law, statutes, and commandments, man. And that's what we out here for, man, to bring you back to remembrance. Bring you back to where you originate from, man. You originate from greatness, black man. You understand? Your God, your King, man, who is Yahweh Shai, man, also known as Jesus Christ, commands that you come back to this Bible, man. And that's the only option you got. Or you can die, man. You understand? You got two options, man. You can come back to this, to the law, statutes, and commandments, or die, man. You understand? It's black and white with the Most High, man. Okay? And there is no compromise with God. That's what the Christian church teaches you. That God compromises, man. You understand? Give me Jeremiah 3:2. We are not Muslims, man. You understand? You hear me, Charlene? We're not Muslims. All right? Not up here. Okay? We have no affiliation with Islam. Hey, shalom, man. Shalom. Yeah, there you go. You understand? Give me that Jeremiah 3:2. Everybody want to be affiliated. Everybody want to join into this melting pot, man. That's what got you in trouble in the first place. Everybody can't be kings and queens, man. How is everybody going to be a queen and a king? There's only one ruler, man. You understand? If everybody can't be rich, right? Somebody has to do the work. And that's your position, black man. You're supposed to be in charge. You understand? Give it to me.
The book of Jeremiah, chapter 3, verse 2. Lift up thine eyes unto the high places.
The Lord is telling you to lift up your eyes, man. You understand? Wake the hell up.
Read. And see where thou hast not been linguist. And the ways hast thou set for them. As the Arabian.
As the who?
Arabian.
The who?
Arabian.
That Arab that you love so much. Hey, what's going on, Aki? Can I get 2 swishes, Aki? Read.
As the Arabian in the wilderness.
The Arabian in the wilderness. You Muslims went and got your God for some Arabian in the wilderness, man. The Arab was nothing until he got over here and made money off you, man. You should see how Dearborn looks, man. It's damn near Arabian castles in Dearborn on black people's money, man. While you die in the streets. Read.
And thou hast polluted the land with thy whoredom.
And he's polluted the land with thy whoredom, man. He's got you to worship a rock in Mecca, man. You understand? The Arab has got you Muslims worshiping a rock. You got to go all the way over to Mecca to worship a rock. Damn, man. Look how far we fallen, man. To where we worshiping bricks and stones and onyxes and all this other garbage, man. Give it to me again.
This is Jeremiah chapter 3, verse 2. Come. As the Arabian in the wilderness, thou hast polluted the land with thy whoredom and with thy wickedness.
See that, man? You see that, Charlene? The Muslims had come over here and polluted the land where we lived in by their wickedness, man. They take all our money from all our people and they build their people up. I know you love Muslims because you give them your money. Not just you, it's all of us. Instead of giving our money to the black man so he can start his own gas station, we make sure that they take care of theirs. And they just get richer and richer while we die here in this nation, man. You understand? Yeah, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. We're not supposed to kill anybody, sis. But because we are up under these other nations, we're not going to kill, Mr. Muhammad. Because he gives me my weed, I need to make sure I get my blunt wraps. If I kill him, I don't get any more blunt wraps and weed, right? But I will go kill Raheem down the street. I will go kill, Gerard, you understand? And Mike and Ricky and them, right? I'm going to kill everybody else, but I'm not killing Mr. Hassan or Mr. Muhammad. You understand? What you got?
Someone coming. As the Arabian in the wilderness, And thou hast polluted the land with thy whoredoms and thy wickedness.
I got a question for you, Charlene. Since you're a Muslim, what is the, do you know where Islam originates from? Do you know who they say the father of Islam is? You don't know? Okay, how long you been a Muslim for? You've been practicing Muslim for how long? Since 2014? Since 14 years old, okay. And in Islam, well, let me just educate you a little bit. The Arab, you just said you didn't know where the father of Islam. Okay, tell me where the father of Islam came from. Give it to me, Charlene. I know you don't know. Let me educate you. You see, I'm the one with the boards and everything, and the paper and the book. Okay? You don't have anything. Now, we're going to educate Charlene on where Muslims originate from. Genesis 16 and 15, please. Okay? Because she doesn't know. And it's no problem. You don't have to know every damn thing, right? But you should know where the origin of things come from so you can better make a decision in the future, right? I want to know where, veggies come from. They come from the farm, right? I want to make sure that they're healthy, right? All right, give it to me. Genesis 16 and 15.
This is the book of Genesis, chapter 15, 16, verse 15. And Hagar bare Abram a son, and Abram called his son's name, which Hagar bare, Ishmael.
Ishmael. Have you ever heard of Ishmael? Okay, that's where the Arabs originate from, man. And he came from Abraham, all right? And when you read the Bible, Ishmael, his story begins and ends in Genesis, and that's it. You understand? Arabs worship the god Allah. Allah comes from the Kaaba stone. You know, you wear the Kaaba stone. Where's the Kaaba stone located? Muslim since 14. You don't have to read about it. For you to have a foundation in Islam, it's some key things you would know. And guess what? It's a good thing you're not that deep into it. Because let me summarize it all up for you. It's garbage. You understand, sis? Islam has not profited our people since the inception in the black community. You understand, sis? And this is the straight up love right here. This is the truth, right? Islam is garbage. Okay? It is. Can I get that again? You hear the sister say? Get it, sister, ahead. This sister understands that Islam is garbage, and she's been a Muslim since 2014, and we ain't even been here an hour. You understand? And we already dropping truth for this sister, man. You understand? Let me go further. When we go into Islam, we don't, it doesn't uplift our people. Because who do I buy the Quran from? And the Kufi from? And the prayer rug from? You don't get them from black people. You don't. You get them from the Arabs. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, right. You understand? And guess what? What aren't you allowed to eat? I know you know this one. I'm going to give you an easy one. What are you not allowed to eat in Islam? Exactly. But, okay. That's excellent, sis. Get a sister hand for not eating pork. You understand? Now, I have a question for you. In the stores, do the Muslims sell the pork? Yeah, they do. Who they sell it to? Exactly. So you see why Islam is futile for our people and useless? You see how ignorant it is? You know who it is good for? It's good for them. Because they lift up their people, they lift up their culture, and guess what? They get to sell it to you while you die for rejecting yours. You are an Israelite according to this Bible. I'll let you speak. You are an Israelite according to this Bible, sis. And you have things that you have to adhere to, which are the laws, statutes, and commandments of the Most High. You are not allowed to eat pork. Not only pork, you can't eat shrimp. Who says that? Where is that in the rule book? Hold on. listen, and that's why it's important. Before you say something, just think about it for a minute. Because what rule is that where I can't eat an animal? You know, it's not a rule, right? The Muslim, who is the they? That's the problem, sis. I'm trying to help you establish a foundation so you can have something to reference to. That's what we do here. We put in the work. We put in the study, the education. We do this so that when we come out here and teach our brothers and sisters, we are sure. We not, oh, maybe we're not supposed to eat pork, or, you know, maybe we're supposed to eat shrimp. No, we know for certain we're not supposed to do it.
That's right.
Right? And that's what you have to do. The Bible says, make thy election sure.
That's right.
Not no goddamn, well, maybe, and, you know, they said, we come out here with the validation already in place, man. You understand?
Nobody tells you crack. You know why? Because I never saw you before. But you a black man like me. And it works something.
My whole life was trying to find something to follow. Had loyalty, every man tried to borrow. Felt pain and a lot of sorrow. Got betrayed, sold packs. I didn't even have my heart broke. Living confused, about to lose hope. Cops got me on the side of the road like a sideshow. Need an antidote before I croak. Now I'm setting fire to rhythm man blues, boy, this guitar smoke. Rebel with no cause, trying to find direction. The world got me vexed. Picked up a bad liquor habit that's hereditary from oppression. Felt like my life was on fire, trying to find an exit. Now look, 10 G's plus a good wreck. Sometimes a follower is a soldier, trying to find a good shepherd. Plus when you in hell, how do you excel? Wisdom the breath of life, I don't believe in fairy tale. Listen well to what I tell. No calling can cause pain. Something that a rebel knows very well. Can't you tell I was sent from the Lord?